Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The West Indies went down by 8 wickets to Australia in the first one-day international in Melbourne on Friday. Centre-back, the West Indies were bowled out for 231 in 48.4 overs. Casey Carty top scored with 88, while Roston Chase made 59. The two shared in a 110-run fifth-wicket partnership after the Caribbean side was reduced to 59 for 4 at one stage. The debutant Xavier Bartlett took 4 for 17 for the Australians. Now, in reply, Australia, despite losing an early wicket at 6 for 1, coasted to victory at 232 for 2 of just 38.3 overs. Captain Steve Smith top scored with an unbeaten 79, while Cameron Green made 77 not out. The two shared in an unbeaten 149-run third-wicket partnership. John Inglis also made 65 for the Aussies, who took a 1-0 lead in the series. Matthew Ford and Gudakesh Moti took a wicket each for the Windies. Now, the second ODI takes place on Saturday in Sydney. And the West Indies under-19's push for a semi-final spot at the ICC Youth World Cup was washed out today after their crucial final match in the Super Sixes round against Australia was declared a no result due to rain. Now, centre-back Australia recovered from 87 for 5 to post 227 for 8 of their 50 overs. They were led by Sam Constas, who top scored with 108. Constas also shared an 86-run sixth-wicket partnership with Raf McMillan, who contributed 29. Nathan Edwards took 3 for 32 and Isaiah Thorne 2 for 50 for the young West Indians. In reply, the Caribbean team got to 24 for 2 when rain stopped play. The match was eventually abandoned and declared a no result. Australia and South Africa, who defeated Sri Lanka by 119 runs in the other Group 2 match, advanced to the semi-finals. The young West Indians will contest for the consolation places going forward. Now, track and field coach Marlon James is scheduled to appear before the St. Catherine Parish Court today after being arrested and charged with grievous sexual assault of a minor and indecent assault by the Centre for Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA. James was also fired from St. Catherine High last month. Head of CISOCA, Senior Superintendent Maldria Jones-Williams, confirmed with TVJ Sports on Thursday that her team laid the charges against James on Tuesday when he was accompanied to the Spanish Town Police Station by his attorney. Now, this development comes 2 weeks after TVJ Sports first broke the story that CISOCA had launched an investigation into allegations that a coach had sexually assaulted a minor at an unnamed school. It followed an official report from the parent of the underage student athlete and principal of St. Catherine High. At the time, the principal confirmed that the coach was not a teacher at the institution, but said he also reported the matter to the Ministry of Education. And that's where we put a wrap on your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.